Hello, this is Nikki Gary. This is a how-to video that gives instruction on how to use the follow-up tags within Microsoft Outlook. So here I'm going to show you, I already have the email that's up. So once you have your email up and open and it's already filled out and ready to send, you go to the ribbon across the top of the email. You go over to the tags area right here and you see the follow-up section and it has the red flag on it. And click on that, a drop down will open. And here you see all these different options. These are for you, so you can apply these different follow-ups for you. It will automatically pop up a reminder if you want a reminder today, tomorrow, sometime this week, next week, or no date. You can select any of these for you. And then this is a reminder. These will just place a flag on the email. This will be an actual reminder that pops up on your screen for a specific day or time, whichever you choose. If you want to also add a flag or a reminder for the recipient, you can do that. This is what I specifically like because this is what saves time in the future. So here's where you can add the flag or the reminder for yourself, whatever day, time you'd like. But down here, if you say you want to add a flag for the recipient, then you can add the follow-up, or you can forward, read, reply, however you'd like it, but I like to stick with follow-up. And then add reminder. Let's just say we're going to do it for next Friday at 3 p.m. We're going to say okay. And then this email, Shirley's going to get a follow-up reminder. She's going to get the flag and the reminder next Thursday. Next Friday, the 20th at 3 p.m. And then this will also show up on her task list that she has a task pending until she completes it. So if she does it before the reminder, she clicks it, then it will be removed from her task list. So then once I click send, she'll have this reminder. And if she doesn't complete it by then, by the 20th, then she'll get an automatic email with this reminder that I don't have to send. That's the beauty of this. So in conclusion, it saves me time so that I don't have to send an email saying, hey Shirley, just to send a reminder, please send me these council minutes because I haven't received them from you yet by Friday. So if she doesn't send it by that following Monday, then I don't have to follow up with her. This will automatically send her a reminder to send me those minutes. So that's the beauty of this follow-up function.